Hello, stylists out there. Are you looking to offer a new service for your salon and make up to 3 times more money per hour? Then we've got the answer. At IHI, we can teach you how to make 3 times more money per hour by including new services on your menu. I'm the research and development designer, Jerry Holt, with International Hair Goods. I started back 40 years ago in the hair replacement industry. It changed my business, and I was able to change my clients' life by offering them new services. Within our virtual library, we're going to lead you right through the step-by-step process to learning this brand new service and to offer your existing clients brand new options for their hair loss. Most hair people don't realize that 25% of men start to lose their hair by the time they're in their 30s. It's very dramatic for some of these people, and I myself are included in that group. Hair replacement solutions are non-surgical and involve fitting new hair to areas that have thinned or have completely gone away. Licensed cosmetologists and barbers can do this with proper training. So what does it mean to get certified in hair replacement? It means you're going to have to get some training and some extra knowledge about our industry. Within our online training, we're going to show you how to promote these new services, how to build new clientele, and to also how to sell your existing clients who are experiencing hair loss on your new services. Within this virtual library, we're going to cover materials that you need to prepare your client and key organizational hacks that will be available. When you take our online training program for hair replacement, we're going to teach you how to promote these new services to your existing clients. We're also going to cover all of the materials needed to prepare for your client, how to remove that system. You're going to learn about attachment choices that are appropriate for every type of hair loss, whether it be male or female. Pricing and business will be in there, and we will cover your specific marketplace as far as profitabilities. The hands-on part of the training is going to cover proper tape molding techniques, hands-on pre-cutting techniques, hands-on perming, understanding all options for bonding, hands-on attachment of the hair system, hands-on coloring technique, hands-on full head bonding, and complete removal of skin system. When you take the virtual class, you'll be observing videos that have been specifically made for that chapter about a certain subject. So that will coordinate exactly with what you're learning. Intro into Hair Replacement is 100% virtual with a comprehensive e-learning webinars and hands-on video Zoom technical sessions. This course takes about 15 hours to complete, but e-learning is set up in separate chapters to be taken in similar times and sections. You can even go back and repeat sections till you're comfortable with that information. Our online classes are completely interactive. There are diagrams, videos. It's not a static video production. Very interactive. Upon the completion of the course, you are going to walk away with confidence not only to execute hair replacement services, but also to get started with this brand new business and increase your earning power by up to 3 times more money per hour. You'll receive a certificate of completion that demonstrates that you've been successful at Intro into Hair Replacement. Ongoing technical support is going to be provided by IHI through sales reps or myself as a trainer with personal one-on-one Zoom follow-ups. With the hands-on portion of the hair replacement program, I can help you actually do your first client, follow up with you on the consultation for the proper choice and fitting, color, and I can actually watch you deliver your first system remotely through Zoom. So what happens now? You've made a call to IHI to find out what this training is about. All you have to do is sign up for the training, contact your sales rep. So you can sign up directly online at internationalhairgoods.com, or you can call 1-800-328 0311, or an additional email would be promos@inthair.com to get started right away.